Guys, Mustafa here. I'm sorry that I haven't uploaded a video since a year. So, well, today I'm right back here. So, let's start the unboxing of Vivo V15 Pro. So the box right in front of me. Well, let's take a quick look at the rear. The box says that it has 32 megapixel camera, AI with triple camera, and full view display with in-display fingerprint. It is the world's first phone which is having in-display fingerprint at the topmost right now. Well, you might see of OnePlus 7, they all got right now, but before that, this was the first phone with a in-display fingerprint. It has 6 GB RAM and 128 GB internal storage. So let's unbox the phone. On the first, you get the Vivo branding over here. Let's take a quick look what we have inside. We have the simulator tool, and we have the quick start guide, and apart from that, we also get the back cover which protects the phone. The best thing about Vivo is that it gives you a temper glass at the front within the box, and it gives you and back cover, which helps you, like, it kind of cross cutting, but it helps you for in the budget. So let's take a look in the box variant first. You get the fast charger, which is of, well, this is made in China, but still this works quite good. And we have the type C cable and the earphones. So friends, right now I have unboxed the phone. It's time to check its features. So the first feature you might notice is of the full view display, the pop-up camera and the full view display. Now let's talk about the camera. The camera of the phone is mind-blowing. It has the same thing. Well, I have an iPhone with the current latest updated iPhone. Now if you might see the OS running, and the theme that Vivo has taken is of completely iOS. Even Vivo V15 Pro has the live photo. Let's take a photo over here like this, and let's take a photo of this. Even now, both of them have the live photo. Press and hold. Press and hold. See, so the both of them has the live photo. And apart, you might see the control panel. Even this has been taken the idea of iOS. And apart from that, you have the notification panel. No other notifications. Everything in this iPhone is just damn same. So even the Vivo operator, the one which has made this phone, even he has claimed that it has copied from the iOS. But I might say you about phone, yeah, Fun Touch OS. The very next thing even you might see is the logos over here, and it has the Fun Touch OS with the latest one 9 version. Now let's keep the iPhone aside and let's talk about the feature. Vivo gets with 6 GB RAM. The basic variant of is this one. It has 6 GB RAM with 128 GB internal storage, and the software is right now completely running on Android Pie. If you just check, it's on Android Pie, and the internal storage is of 128 GB. The best thing about this phone is that it even gives the data of use time. So right now I have just used this phone for 27 hours because I'm using Vivo Y17. So I have just used even the battery status. The best part of this phone is that the camera. It has triple camera with 15 megapixel, 5 megapixel and 8 megapixel shooter. So now if I just open the camera, you might see the modes what I have. You have the bokeh mode and you have the AI camera. The AI, what basically AI does is it uses all its three camera. It tries to give you the best photo what it is capable of. Now let's take the photo. Even you have the slim thing, and then you have the beauty part. So now if I just take from the AI, you have all the features, and you have the bokeh mode over here. Even the third camera, I mean the first camera what you are seeing over here is for the wide angle. all three cameras had its own duty, so they just pop up when they come it's their turn. So the first camera is of the white camera. Now if you just see, I'll go in photo mode. I'll just go for the white camera. Look at that, it's damn wide. It's just too wide, and the clarity in this wide is just I mean, you guys have seen the action camera. You can just see the effect of my hands. They are just moving like at the night. This is very helpful camera feature. Like even at a night, even an iPhone can't take that great photos which you can get from the Vivo V15 Pro. You have the panorama, pro, and document photo. The no well in the Vivo V series, this is the new feature. Like if I'm taking the photo of this phone, I can even edit it. I'll just go back. I can even edit. It will scan the documents in this thing, and it'll try to give you the best photo of it. Now I think we are done with the features. Now let's talk about the camera has done its great job. Well, at the real, I would first say you that it has the plastic. It is not of glass. Many of you think that it is of glass, but no, it is. I'm sorry to say, it is of plastic. It is of carbon fiber. Even you might even get scratches. So for that sake, Vivo has given. So well, the other feature, the best part of this phone is that it has face unlock. Look at that 32 megapixel pop-up camera. As soon as I turn my face, it gets unlocked. Again, face unlock. The I think there is a big change you might see over here is that when you turn the phone right around, here is the volume increase button, decrease button, power button, and you have even this button. Now what is this button? This button is of Google. Like you're in the theme part and you need I mean and you need help of Google. Press this button, it pops up. That's the best thing about it. So even in many other phones of this price range, well, I have taken this for 27,000. Even in this kind of price range, you might not feel any phone such a premium phone. Like the Vivo branding over here with a triple camera with a great flashlight, and the best part about the Vivo is that the music. I don't know, thanks. Yeah. I think many of you guys know Vivo is made for camera and music. Even it gets on in the ads. Even it says, let's check the music. My God, I think you guys might can hear. Even the audio quality is great. Yeah. So the fun touch, which is being themed inside the phone, is very easy to use. It just been more than a day I have been using this phone. So well, in the later video I'll say you about all its pros and cons. Main features of this phone is that now, like me, for people like me who are careless, they open the camera and then they leave it like this, and what if the phone falls? It has a smart sensor which closes your camera before interacting with the ground. I hope you guys like the video and comment the best part of this Vivo V15 Pro, what you have liked the best feature, and well, in the further video I'll talk about tips and tricks. Thank you and subscribe my channel.